What's good, everyone? Today I'm going to show you guys the problems that I was having with the Focusrite Solo 4th Gen Scarlett. So the first problem I was having was basically this direct monitor. Whenever I was holding it down, it was not really working until I went over here to preferences. Also, the sample rate, guys, make sure it's all the way at the bottom if you use FL Studio to just get the buzzing sound. But you gotta be careful with that because your PC might not handle it. That was one of the reasons why it was buzzing. But right there, guys, combine 1 and 2. So you're gonna want to combine 1 and 2 so you can connect it to your phone if you're using your phone and using your camera, because it doesn't connect it all the way. Doesn't connect it, like it's gonna sound through one ear. That's how I fixed it for mine. You might find another problem where you could fix it that way. Also, right here, guys, you're gonna want to go to this, and if you don't have FL Studio, it's gonna be like a larger screen and it's gonna come out the focus settings. But if you do have FL Studio like me, it's gonna come over here. But first of all, guys, if you do have FL Studio, download the drivers, because you want to use the drivers. They're going to help you with latency, kind of. You could adjust the volume, etc., and do all the settings that I showed you guys before with the drivers. But just showing you guys, just in case you don't have the drivers, this is how you get it. That's how I had the other screen where I can combine stuff, basically. So it's just all of this, and all the drivers are right there. But the buzzing sound, which I had a problem with, which I almost returned my Scarlett Focus or Scarlett Solo 4th Gen. I almost returned it because I thought it was my computer. I thought it was an on and off thing. But basically what I did is I went to audio settings. You're going to want to do focus USB ASIO. Right there, 17. That's my latency. You're going to keep it at the lowest one right here, and unless your PC cannot handle it. But you're going to want to click on this and it's going to pop up right here, and this is the main screen. You're going to want to keep the buffer size at 256, which at the bottom it's going to be over here, guys. If you don't have FL Studio, you guys can see it updated right there. But what usually happened to me is I would listen to a video, it will start buffering after a while. I mean, it will start making static sounds, or I'll open FL Studio and I'll listen to the beat and it'll start making static sounds. You're going to want to keep it at 256 512. I had it all the way down to 16, so that's why it was doing it. My PC could not handle it. But you're gonna want to move it around. You're gonna want to test it, see if your PC could handle it. And basically, it's not even gonna mess with the latency. Kinda, my latency is right there at 17 and 6 over here. So just mess with the buffer sound. That's how you fix the static.